Hi, I'm Marilyn DeMartini with YachtWorld, and we're here with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida, aboard this beautiful 42 GLS. It's grand luxury sport, but for me, I could call this the grand lounging sport because there are so many comfortable places to lounge. Now, this is one of Cruiser Yacht's many models. They now have a 50 as well, but this boat is ideal for weekend cruising, small groups, couples, to just get out and have a fabulous time. Now, this edition is called the South Beach model because it's got the black exterior, and the ochre is what they call it, kind of this pottery-clay colored interior. Now, one of the nice features about the Cruiser Yacht is this open beach platform. They call these swim doors, and they fold down on either side to give you about 4 extra feet, both port and starboard, to just use for water access, to put extra furniture out here, to just lounge. Now, the Mercury 600s are ideal for this kind of platform. A big, heavier boat, but these V12 engines can take this boat anywhere comfortably cruising. So the Sun Lounger here is adequate for at least 3 people. You can pull down the armrest there with cup holders. Very comfortable and very cool. Now, as we go inside to the cabin and the cockpit, we'll see more features. Come on board. As we step into the social area of this boat, you can really get a sense for how wide this boat is, and also how many people can comfortably fit around this U-shaped seating that surrounds a teak table that can drop down, and there's an option for filler cushions if you'd like that for a sun pad, or even for some additional sleeping accommodations if you needed it. This very ample hardtop covers all of the space here, and there is also a sunshade that extends from the back that covers out the back sun lounge. The roof also retracts automatically, so it gives you that open air feeling when you want it as well. So another nice feature here is the full galley that includes an optional grill, a sink, air conditioning that blows straight out from the back for this whole area, this Corian top, and then you've got a refrigerator, freezer, storage with trash, and an ice maker here under the helm seat. A very cool literal feature here is at the side of the bar, you have 2 bar stools with air conditioning that blows out this direction too. So literally, it's a great place to sit and be cool, enjoy your refreshments, your meals, while you're out on the water or on the hook. Even the helm seat here is like a lounge. It's the deepest helm seat I've ever seen, with a fold down armrest, and it does fold back to be a bolster, so the captain can be comfortable however he or she likes to sit. And the helm is very simple with your push button switches, 2 SIMRAD screens. This boat has a Seakeeper 6 and a generator, and they're both accessed from under a hatch that lifts up where the sun pad is, so it's easily accessible as needed. Very tightly designed to lift and fit all of the furnishings that are included here. As you step down into the cabin, you'll see that there are accommodations for at least 4, because there's a stateroom that's tucked under the aft deck here, and then there's also a berth that with a retractable table can fill in and be a sleeping berth. And it's still got all the things that you need for comfort down there as well: a TV, a microwave, a refrigerator, and a very large wet head. So it's comfortable enough, and it's very posh looking. So this boat is furnished in a very luxurious way, but it's also very intimate because it's perfect for, again, a small family or a small group of friends to go out and really enjoy the boat for the weekend. Now we can go forward and see the bow, because that's some additional luxury lounging space. Let's head there. So here in the bow, another one of my favorite seating spots in any boat, you find very comfortable U-shaped seating again, a beautiful teak table, lots of cup holders, armrests. even controls up here for the Rockford Fosgate sound system, and your windlass anchor here. I really feel like on this seat in the boat, or any of the very comfortable and luxurious spaces, that you can really feel the Florida lifestyle. I know this is the South Beach edition and we're here in Pompano Beach, but any beach you're on is a good one when you're on the Cruiser Yacht 42 GLS. Thanks for joining us here on Yacht World.